What up yun? Nagbabalik guys. So, may binili akong bagong gamit. Okay. May bago akong gamit na binili. Yeah. So, tabi lang natin tong cellphone ni mama. Tinry ko pa palitin. Ito pala yung part 2. Ay. Hindi pala part 2. So, ito guys. Binili ko. Pakita ko sa inyo. Pokemon card siya, okay? So guys, papakita ko sa inyo. Ito siya. Yan. Ayan. 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 And lahat naman nakuha ko doon. So, magko-collect ako ulit. Ano madami guys. So, like, I'm gonna collect until it's like the size of my sister's room. Yeah. Just don't ask me why. Like that. So, okay. I'ma tell you why. I really like Pokemon cards. I'm a Pokemon cards collector. Okay? I always been that. So, I collected a very much long time. I collected, okay? I collect it since I have a Pokemon card since I was 6 years old. I'm collecting it. Okay. I stopped when I hit 7. So when 8 I stopped because I got Pikachu. Yeah. 2 years until I get it. Okay? Yeah, you know why I'm asking okay. Every time there's a Pokemon card seller, I'ma buy it on this card. So I don't usually buy on Shopee like that, on big one. Sometimes I didn't get good. Okay. Like, so, lipat natin. So, ito pala yung spot ko. Ito pala yung spot ko sa pag ni Nintendo. Yung Nintendo ko tsaka yung controller. Kasi dito, ito naman, madami akong technology. Ito, una ko tong cellphone. Pangalawa kong technology ay Game Boy. Pero, isa pa siya. Dalawa na Game Boy. Tapos, pangatlo kong technology. Ayun, yung Nintendo. Pang-aapat kong technology. Etong Nintendo Game Boy na yan. Okay? Bale. Magkakaisa pa akong technology. Technology daw. Magkakaisa pa akong technology. Bale. Pag nagpalit na ako, mag-iisa pa ako. Mag-ipon ako para bumili ng game. 1 month yun actually nang makabili ng Red Dead Redemption 2, tsaka ang tawag dito, tsaka Sports Wii, tsaka Nintendo Sports, tsaka yun, tsaka Luigi Mansion. Mag-iipon ako mabili yun, 1 month actually. I am very sad cause I cannot touch my money until it's December. You know what? Cause my teacher told me we could not touch our money, so we're gonna save up money until December 25. Yeah, that's long. That's how it's long. So I don't care. When it's 1 month, I will take my own money. Okay, I'll save up at the same time. Okay. I will save up at the same time, okay? Okay, when I hit 1 month, I will buy the games, okay? I don't care how. Just why? Just don't. Ask me. Why? I really like games. Because my Nintendo is broken right now. My Nintendo, I cannot download games. It's pretty laggy. And then my brain said, "It's okay, Kyrie. You can buy Nintendo Switch at that time. Nintendo Switch 2. I said, "But my daddy's gonna buy me when that Nintendo didn't get fixed. My dad gonna buy me Nintendo Switch 2 as a replacement." Yeah. I wish my dad buy it. I wish Sana mabili ni Papa yun. And yeah. Okay, I'm gonna find some down to the other spot. So I'm gonna make another series. Ooh. Okay, when I'm a spot of my sister's table. Right here. It's my sister's table. Oh, when I'm starting there, I'm gonna open up ako in there. Something like a game like that, anything. When I'm vlogging down there, it's a I'm giving a good packs to make upgrade on your toy gun. And when I'm vlogging, you cannot see my face. I'm vlogging games. That's a 3 series. Kaya I'm going to find some lock there. May elevator ako. Okay, let's make a keychain. This is mine, okay. So I can move it around. This is my making keychain. Okay. Okay. Marami yung kalat dito na pinakita ko. Okay guys, if you want to see the whole vlog, over here, tara. Okay, that won't mind that. So this is my making keychain spot. So I can make keychain on this spot, okay. So tabi lang natin yung mga gamit na nakalagay dun. Yan, tabi natin sa technology spot or creation spot. So may technology spot ako dito, okay. Ito making spot yan or opening packs. May spot yan. Tapos diyan ko tatabin Game Boy ko. Dito naman technology spot. Ito, creation spot. Okay, if you want to see the whole entire vlog, it's very... So, I made it right away. Okay, this is the creation spot and this is the creation box. This is the technology spot. I mean box. So, let's pull out of these two. This is a whipped cream. Just kidding, it's not a whipped cream, okay guys. It's not candy at all. It's just making keychain. Okay, I will give my subscribers this. Wait, no. Okay, I will make this thing. I will make this thing, okay? Nahala. Hala. Ang bango ng amoy. Hala. Humble. Hala. Hamba. I bet I had played these games before. Let's clean this up first. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, it's good. Ah! This thing wouldn't budge. No? You're playing it. It's there. If I'm cut, I think I can spread it. This one. Maganda ako yung pinasaspa. I stand. Okay, that's a nice design, okay? Not simple at all. Ah, that is Sigma pins off. Oh, I forgot about it. I need to use it. Yes! It. Yay! Thank you. I have the thing. Let's hey, baby. Love. Wah ha. Bakit white? Hindi iba-iba kulay niya, bros. La! Wow. Yeah. Yes. You girl. I am good. Oh. I am very very good. Very very good. Part of love. Okay, dah. Nyerang. Linis habis. Rolling back. Kamay ko na. Happy birthday. Ito balloon to sa early birthday cake. Binili na nila mama tong balloon sa birthday. Yung ito. Holy shit. Mahirap na to, Gar. Yay! Lo. Lo. Wala pa. Balon. Araw na 7-Eleven na taiyak. Ang cute. Siguro yung nagsasaing, sunog na.
Oo, sabi ko.
Guys, wala ka. Wait, yar. Dead end. Ay, na, hindi ko pa ba nakakain yung pinya dyan? Ito pa lang. Kahit tayo, ito sa akin ah.
Yan sir, mama?
Yeah. Sunog na yung kanin. Sinunog mo, lagot ka! Ini Kyrie. In the house of the words, I want to be you. In the world. I'm so worldly on this world.
Ano binili? Ulams? Ano ulams?
Ano?
Ano ulams, ma?
Wow! Oh!
Oo, ha, ha. Oo na.
Alama, ito na. stop? Yang pababang pwede ng bata. Wala ko kasi nilagay doon sa iyo. Lagyan mo nga konti. Libro press. Okay guys, kain tayo pinya. Pinyang pata. Sarap. Patandaan ko yung babae guys na ano. Tawag dito. Na yan. Yung babae na let's taste testing. Tapos walang kinagat eh. Kapag nagkagat. Ang liit! Ang liit? So, may part 2 pa. Mamaya-maya unti kakain ko sa. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe kung hindi ko magawa. Okay? Bye! I always gonna see you. Bye!